Hi darlings, welcome to my magical gift shop. I am here today with my fabulous niece, Sophia Tilbury.
Hi guys.
And darlings, we have got Christmas and the holiday season to show you all of these trinkets, treats and treasures. Easy to choose, easy to use and easy to gift. So we've got lots of fabulous ideas for you that we're going to share with you now. So darlings, we're going to start off by unboxing our trinkets. And trinkets are really great because we love them. I mean, they're like, every gift's really that are under £30. So this is £25. You've given this to people.
I mean, this is something I'm going to be giving to all my best girlfriends. They're going to absolutely love every single one of these.
If you haven't got Pillow Talk in your life, you have to give Pillow Talk this Christmas. Now let's get inside these boxes and show you, okay, the unboxing. I mean, look at that gift, darling.
It's
Wouldn't
amazing.
you be so happy?
Yeah, I love the fact that you get a little mini lip liner with it as well. It's only £25.
I'll tell you what's great about Pillow Talk. You've used it on Gaga, which is my grandmother, your grandmother, my mother. Sorry, I'm pretending, we're the same age. It's just one of those colours that suits everyone because it kind of is like your lip colour but better, so it's amazing. Yeah. Sometimes when we go to a dinner party, it's just like, here, you know, that's it, and you know,
Well, you do that, but I mean...
I do, I like telling everyone needs Pillow Talk. Perfect present. Legendary eyes. I always say lashes make a legend. And inside here, you love this mascara.
I'm obsessed with this mascara.
Let's open it up inside. Hold on. Here it is. It is amazing. Look at that. Look at that box. I would just be thrilled if you gave me that. I wear this every day, literally, because, you know, lashes make a legend to flutter, to give everyone that gorgeous flutter. That 507% more volume really opens up your eyes and makes your eyes look a lot bigger. And I'm always trying to cheat a really big eye because actually my eyes aren't that big. So this is a great way to cheat a fabulous lash.
I love rock and roll. This is like a great way to create a feline flick, and I can't create an eye without this and this.
We love a feline flick. We're like cat eye girls, We're like permanently with a cat eye. And these are amazing. This really is bottling my Hollywood secrets to amazing glowing skin. And this product has won lots and lots of awards. I put 2 inside here because we love them so much. We never do a makeup without these, do we?
I use this on absolutely everyone.
Even without looking in a mirror, okay, I'm just gonna pop that on there. This just gives you like these satin cheekbones, like you've got dripping candlelight on your skin. Then inside, let's not forget one of our other fabulous secrets, Wonder Glow. And you put this on your skin, you see instant results. And so Christmas is all about giving back, and you definitely get a major discount if you buy these 2 together. If you've been having a bit of a party the night before, and Sophia, we all know
for me.
Exactly. I love to party, especially over the Christmas period. This is the skin savior the next day. So over the party season, everyone needs a little bit of Hollywood beauty glow.
The next trinket is Superstar Lips, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these.
We're obsessed with these. We're both wearing them now. We've used them on so many fashion shows and models, celebrities, red carpets, everything. They're great on older women as well because if you have a big night or someone's come off an airplane, they're really dehydrated because they've got hyaluronic acid in them.
They're really hydrating on the lips.
Super
I'm wearing Glow Kiss, but I feel like these are all really wearable shades.
Oh my God, they're super wearable.
This is something I'll literally be giving my sister. I feel like my friends have all stolen these out of my handbags. They love them so much.
Yeah, I know. Literally, I end up giving it to people out of my handbag when I'm out of my clutch. They're like, oh, that's really amazing. I'm like, okay, there's plenty of that at home. I'm just going to give it to you. Everyone needs a superstar lip in their life. It's both these colours, they're just amazing. I know, that's so good. I love it. CharlotteTilbury.com. Quick, and I think it's limited. I know you're going to kill me.
I know. We're going to have to bring that back.
We'll have to bring it back. Sorry. Another trinket. I always say lashes make a legend.
And now that it's festive season, I'm wearing these all the time. So
we've got 4 types of lashes. I'm particularly fond of the red carpet lashes, the one I'm wearing right now. I
love the cat eye corner. I've got smaller eyes, so I like a smaller lash. And I like the fact that this really elongates my eyes and it gives me like a real cat eye shape.
This is sort of something like that my mother could do. Maybe even Valentine, my sort of 5-year-old son. I think maybe he'd be able to do a lash. They are fantastic. You just whip them on, whip them off. Super, super easy. You're gonna love them. So darlings, one of our final trinkets are these. I'm telling you, are these not amazing? We are hanging them all over our Christmas tree this Christmas. Boyfriends, I just think men everywhere, just listen up. You just need to give someone these. These are amazing, aren't they? In your stocking.
I'm obsessed.
One of these, and they're £25, and in there you get 3 lips. You can unbox it. Look, it comes in that beautiful tissue paper. You've got JK Magic in homage to JK Rowling. I love this lipstick. I wear this a lot. I'm going to put it on now.
I love Viva la Vergara because I love Sofia Vergara.
She was wearing our shop opening in LA not that long ago. She was so amazing. And this one is named in homage to my gorgeous friend Amal Clooney, and this is called Amazing Amal. So they're just really, and they're just gorgeous. They're very wearable colours for like each occasion, and who doesn't want that in their lives? I mean, hello. And hanging on the Christmas tree.